Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zenhub Gfx. This powerful application is designed to revolutionize your mobile gaming experience. It works by optimizing your device, fine-tuning graphics settings, and unlocking hidden potentials. You can say goodbye to frustrating lags, glitches, and slow performance that often hinder your gaming. Get ready to immerse yourself in stunning visuals, lightning-fast gameplay, and seamless transitions, making every gaming session more enjoyable and efficient. Zenhub Gfx offers several core features to elevate your gaming. First, its graphics optimization lets you customize settings for improved textures, lighting, and smoother frame rates, immersing you fully in the game world. Second, the Performance Boost feature optimizes background processes and clears your device's RAM. This ensures a lag-free experience, allowing your games to run seamlessly without frustrating stutters or delays, making every moment count. Beyond performance, Zenhub Gfx provides excellent customization and game management. Its extensive game library allows you to apply optimized settings to your favorite titles with just one tap, saving you manual effort. You can also personalize your in-game characters with a diverse selection of skin packs, backgrounds, and emotes. A simple injector tool helps you apply these visual elements to your heroes, making your gaming experience truly unique and visually appealing. To get started, simply download and install Zenhub Gfx from your device's App Store. Once installed, explore its features to tailor your gaming. Remember to utilize the battery saver mode, which intelligently manages your device's energy consumption, allowing for longer play without constant recharging. Also, keep the app updated to benefit from the latest optimizations and bug fixes. Following these simple steps will help you unlock the full potential of your gaming device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.